Hello, this is me Martin for video for Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. It's 11 o'clock here. I'm at my hometown bus station at Ellesmere doing a bus video. And the bus just arrived in at Stansted. It's the number 1 Chester Road station. It's the station's Golden Vowel 400 MMC double-decker bus 10886 YX67VCW. There was another Golden Vowel 400 MMC bus before on the X1 Chester bus I took a pick off on 10882. So after I've done this video, I will post this video like I said to Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. And all the bus videos I've done and all the other photos I've taken today I'll post on Facebook. So yeah, as I said, it's the first bus video I've done for a while. It's bloody windy here today. Yeah, like I said, it's Thursday morning, it's 11 o'clock, I've just gone 7 minutes past 11. Yeah, I took a pick of all the buses here today. Oh, and just coming in now is the X1 to Liverpool, being done by 15740. So, that's said, done all the bus services here today, done by Stagecoach, Aviva and 80 Code Signs at Hames of Eastham. So, as I said, it's this first bus video I've done for a while. Like I said, it's bloody blustery here. And it's actually buttoning up now, because about 5 minutes ago it was actually dark around here. Look like it's going to rain. Oh, and there's a bus video I'm just going to mention. I actually did manage to take a pic. Okay, it wasn't too good, unfortunately, because it was from high in the sky, but it's good, but could have been better. I took a picture from that, what's it called, that Air Volusia plane. One of the flights from Horden, Chester to Toulouse, carrying plane parts. I had to take a pic of it, yeah, just walking past the Civic Hall now. What else? Yeah, like I said, it was pretty dark about 5 minutes. It looked like it was 5 minutes ago. It looks like it was going to rain, but at least it's patterning up now. So, anyway, I'm going to come off now. I'll see you later. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, if you wonder why I'm talking quietly, it's because there's people around and I don't want people hearing what I'm talking about. So, I hope you can hear me. So, like I said, anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.